As a manufacturing sales leader, you're working hard to digitize your sales processes and become more resilient for the long haul. Here are 3 steps you can take to go digital with your sales and improve channel performance with Salesforce for manufacturing. First, make more decisions based on real-time channel, product, and customer data. Take your territory planning out of spreadsheets by using advanced software to experiment with different territory models and go live with the best one. Then, connect with the right buyers and win more deals by viewing analytics directly in the account. Analyze the performance of your customers, products, and distribution channels to find every opportunity to grow your revenue. Use machine learning to predict your forecast. Take its underlying insights and paint a more accurate picture of how much your team will sell in a given period. Next, grow your business by opening up new revenue streams and routes to market. When you understand what customers really want, you can go to market quickly with new offerings that match. But that's only possible when all your sales processes are connected. Start by breaking down silos and giving every team, including channel partners, access to the same data and tools that direct sellers use. Bring quoting and billing onto the same platform where you sell to improve the buying experience. And don't forget to bring your ERP and other external sources along for the ride. When you connect your front and back offices together, you can make decisions based on real insights such as actual customer purchases. And finally, create a next-generation workforce by giving your people the right tools to succeed. Quickly spot data patterns to discover new opportunities to win more deals. Use predictive tools to highlight the leads and opportunities that are most likely to close, so sales reps can prioritize their work. Then identify the best practices that make reps sell more, and put those best practices to work at scale. And easily capture information from customer reports and gain insights from sales calls using conversational intelligence, so you can coach your reps into A players. To learn more about how Salesforce for Manufacturing can help you digitize your manufacturing sales process, visit us online.